Hi everyone, today we're learning our first mathematics lesson for term 2. Alright, we're learning to read and use ordinal numbers. Now that screen should be coming up for you guys as it is for me. Alright, we've popped in this link today onto your Canvas page. So if you could go into that link, that will give you a bit of a background knowledge on what it is that we're learning today. Listen to me first and then have your own turn reading the ordinal numbers. I'm looking at the top where my mouse is right now, starting at this point. Ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, and then so on. All right, looking at the next screen.
Listen and then have your own turn reading the ordinal numbers. Listen.
All right, just going to shift the screen over a little bit. Use the chart to write down or say the ordinal number that comes next. First one, second. What comes next? Your turn. Next one, 11th. What comes next? 21st. What comes next? 13th. What comes next? And the last one is 8th. And your turn to say the next number. All right, so for the first one, second, you will have said third. For 11th, you would have said 12th. 21st, 22nd comes next. 13th goes into 14th, and 8th goes to 9th. All right, this is the activity that you will find in your workbook today. All right, you're going to go through and paste in those numbers into their correct spots. Now, this is a calendar. All right, calendars use ordinal numbers. So your activity today is to paste this in. So for example, I'll tell you one. First, second, I know that the third needs to come next. I'm going to cut out where it says third and paste that in. All right, and if you want to extend yourself today, you can go to the website listed below. All right, you could even look for some ordinal numbers around the house. Where might they appear? All right, awesome job, everyone. We'll see you soon.